Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Now this amazing blend I have for you today will help you glow from within. The ultimate hydrating juice. A refreshing blend crafted to give your skin a natural radiant glow. Each sip is packed with hydration and nutrients your body will just love. If you enjoy nourishing recipes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help us reach 10,000 subscribers for more wellness and beauty inspiration to have your body feeling nice and amazing. With that being said, come have some fun with us on our Discord group. You can talk to me, talk to the team, and ask us any questions you want and just chill out and vibe. With that being said, let's get it started. Alright, let's get started. We're starting off with our pineapple. We're just going to cut that up in little chunks, and our benefits for our pineapple is included boosted immunity system, aiding digestion and reducing inflammation due to its high content of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. So yeah, all in all, another good thing for your body, and it will help your wounds heal quicker and recover faster. So that's some of the benefits of pineapple. Next up, we have some celery. Celery is good to reduce inflammation due to its high water content and antioxidants. Um, it also provides vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K and potassium, which supports bone health and blood pressure management. So, all around, good for you. As you can see, sticking with the theme of hydration, we have our cucumber, which supports heart health, helping regulate your blood pressure. Of course, hydration, antioxidants, and that may help lower your blood pressure or your blood sugar, and has the added benefits of skin health as well and bone strength. So, very good for you. Next up, we have our mint that helps boost immunity, helps with brain health, helps relieves you from pain, and much more. So let's get into it. Now, all you need to do now is to add everything to your blender, or if you happen to have a food processor or a juicer, even better, definitely go ahead and use those. At the shooting of this video, I did not have my juicer, but I do now. But that being said, we're using a blender for this one. So add all your ingredients, blend it up nicely, and we're gonna juice that after. So let's go. We are going to leave the mint. We're not going to add the mint just yet, and we're not going to add the coconut milk just yet as well. We're going to just blend all their main ingredients first, and then we'll get to those. Well, now that your juice is blended nice and smooth, you want to add in your mint and just repeat the process until your mint is nice and incorporated into your juice. Now that it's all said and done, your juice is ready to go. Because I've used a blender and I did not use a juicer, I'm going to strain this in a two-part system where I try to get as much of the chunk out as possible because it was just a blender, and you can't get it as smooth as you were, and you won't get all that juice because it was processed, so you want all that bits out as well. So we're gonna strain it through a larger hole strainer, and then we're gonna sift it through a smaller hole strainer, as you can see on the bottom. But if you have a juicer, you don't have to do these steps because all that gets filtered out for you in a juicer. In a proper juicer, you will have all the peels go one way, and then you just left with the juice. So that's what we're doing. We're separating all the chunky bits from the juices that we're gonna get. But yeah, if you have a proper juicer, oh, go ahead. Now, for the sake of time, we sped up this part. So we have our juice. We're gonna add our coconut milk to finish, and all the measurements and ingredients will be down in the description, so do check those out. And we're just gonna add our coconut milk, give it a nice whisk, and we should have our juice finish for you. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys will join us on the next one. Please hit that subscribe button, help us get to 10,000 subscribers. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.